Minnesota Timberwolves versus Oklahoma City Thunders. Game number 1 in the finals of the Western Conference. The Timberwolves is the number 6 team against the number 1 team in the elimination, Oklahoma City Thunders. I don't know what Edward is thinking at this point. Malaki na ang lamang ng Thunders para makahabol sila. Foul yon, dalawang free throw. Pasok lahat. Mintes na naman ang layup ng Timberwolves. Sinagot pa ng 3 points sa kabila. Malas talaga, ayaw pumasok kahit jumper sa malapit. Nanalo ang Oklahoma City Thunder, final score 114-88. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.